Mixu time again. Mixu time again. Mixu time again. Fresh lemonade, Mixu ice cream, or the ice cream in cold. Okay. Mixu time again. Okay, napadaan lang. Huwag excited. Hindi tayo bibili for today's video. Okay. Let's go and buy ice cream.
Ice cream. What do you want?
What you want?
Lemon.
Fresh lemonade. One.
Fresh
You.
lemon. Wait, let me shake.
Me.
You want is ice cream coffee.
Ice cream toffee hazelnut. One and one. Strawberry peach bobo. Yeah. Thank you, Atom. Okay. Which one for you? No, that's for the two. This club. This all. Okay. Thank you, Atom. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you, Atom. Thank you. This Atom. Da. Okay. Thank you, Atom. Yan. I just go down to watch them play sepak takraw, but they are already finished when I saw them walking, going back to their hotel. So we just dropped by in the Mixu, and my friend Atom by me. So thank you for the Mixu. So today we will partner it with our food that we cook. We cook sopas in Philippines. Okay, so let's eat.